welcome to Hidden Gems.
Today we are baking a traditional British classic, which is Yorkshire pudding.
Not actual pudding.
Yeah, that's something that we discovered is this is not actually what we consider pudding. When I think of pudding, I think of Jell-O pudding, like banana pudding, chocolate pudding, vanilla pudding, but we are excited to try it. So we are gonna do a vegetarian version of Yorkshire pudding with a lentil vegetable stew inside of it. So first, let us mix up the Yorkshire pudding. We got Aunt Bessie's Golden and Delicious Yorkshire Pudding Mix. So if you will do the honors and put this in the bowl for me.
As you can see, I'm wearing a Santa hat because Christmas is coming up, and I'm also wearing a Santa apron.
Yeah, you can't really see that, but she is wearing a Santa apron. And I'm actually wearing an apron that we just added to our store, which you can see linked in videos. Back to the Yorkshire pudding. Do you mind adding this mix in here? Next, we are going to add the water and the eggs, if you don't mind adding this in for me. Good job. And then I'll add the eggs. How about that?
Ooh, eggies.
Oh, I guess there's a little shell in there. Let me just grab that guy. Next, Ruby is going to mix this up, and while she mixes this up, I'm going to tell us a little bit about the history of Yorkshire pudding.
And we're probably going to make some music over it, but you can still hear your voice, except she's probably going to edit out like the big noise.
Yes, the magic of editing. Yorkshire pudding is a baked pudding made from a batter of eggs, flour, and milk or water. A common British side dish, it is a versatile food that can be served in numerous ways. Originally, the Yorkshire pudding was served as a first course with thick gravy to dull the appetite with the low-cost ingredients so that the diners would not eat so much of the more expensive main course. National Yorkshire Pudding Day has been celebrated on the first Sunday in February in Britain since 2007. It is also celebrated on October 13th in the United States. What's your favorite way to eat Yorkshire pudding? Let us know in the comments. And if you are still watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Hidden Gems Journeys. While looking up information about Yorkshire pudding, I did notice that most of the examples they had did look like these biscuits. But I did see on the Wikipedia page that they had larger versions of Yorkshire pudding and pans kind of like this. So we're going to use this because we do not have a cupcake pan to do it.
So what I wanted to say was that if you were wondering what all this yellow stuff was, it's not pee, it's oil.
I would hope that nobody would think that that was urine, but thank you for the clarification, darling. Okay, so we are going to pour this in here, and it is gonna bake for 25 minutes, and then we will be back.
25 minutes later.
Yorkshire pudding is out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. Let us know how we did. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. And next we are gonna put some lentil stew on top that we got from Aldi that Ruby's a big fan of. And then we will do our taste test. All right, so here's what it looks like with the lentil stew. I feel like it looks very similar to the pictures that were on Wikipedia, but how does it taste? It is kind of like a pancake. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to taste like. It's good though. I can see how it's used to soak up stews and things like that.
And also, this still tastes amazing.
Yeah, this lentil stew from Aldi, if they still have it, it was part of their Oktoberfest, but it's a lentil stew and it is delicious. Well, I like it. What do you think of Yorkshire pudding? So, or 5 out of 5? 4 out of 5?
Mm-hmm.
4 out of 5 from Ruby. I'm gonna give it
a 4.5.
Okay. I'm gonna stick with you too. I like it. I think it might even be a little bit better if the texture was more like a biscuit, like what we think of as a biscuit.
Yeah.
But still delicious, and I'm so glad we tried it. And hopefully we can find an authentic one where we can do a taste comparison, because I'd love to know the difference. Well, I had so much fun making Yorkshire pudding with you. If you have suggestions for recipes you want to see us try,
just comment down below.
Thanks for tuning in.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.